Hey guys, so I have my Cocomelon toy here because I want to give a shout out in this video today. Happy 17th birthday to Cocomelon. Like, I can't believe this. 17 years of Cocomelon. I would just like to thank Cocomelon for all the nursery rhymes I like since 2006. This has been a long time Cocomelon was here, but I could tell their former name for Cocomelon from 2006 to 2017 was ABC Kids TV. Yeah, this is what they used to call Cocomelon for about 11 years now. So here's JJ. So Cocomelon is by Moonbug. So this is his grandpa's tractor, I believe. It says Cocomelon on the back here too. So what year? 2020 they made this. So Cocomelon was about 14 years, but it's the time that Cocomelon's 17 today. Well, anyways, Cocomelon, happy 17 years, and we really hope we could see your new video on September 5th. See you next time, guys.